I'm here. Sun's just risen. Got my truck here loaded up. Some lumber, some bricks, some gravel. We also got new lights on the truck. Pretty cool. We're gonna see how much of this foundation for this little deck we can get done today. And then these blocks for the foundation post beam. This boy's ready to go. Who's ready to go, Kaya? You are. Yeah, you're ready to go. You kind of see the gravel in there. It's blocked with other stuff, but there's, I think, 11 or 12 bags, something like that.
Yeah.
Okay, so second day of building the house. I don't know, what is it, like 8 p.m. right now?
9.
9?
I don't know.
We
maybe
came back
8.
about the latest we've ever come back. And of course, this is the day we get a flat. We're in a totally all-terrain area. You know, here, let's go look at the tire.
Yeah.
So, this happened. Oh, there's my keys. I better hold on to them. This happened just now. Tire on. Look. Got the air compressor. Look at it. Look at that. Got the air compressor going. I bought this at Walmart. I'm really glad I did, because this tire was too low to drive on. So if I didn't have this unit, we would have been kind of screwed. Going for about 30 PSI, which is a little bit below suggested, but it's an old tire, so I don't want to overdo it. But yeah, we're good. We're going to get out of here. all gonna be super good. Okay, so I just want to show you my lights. This is no lights. This is regular lights. This is brights. And here's my light bar. Here's my light bar with the brights. Light bar off. This light bar is crazy. So this is our home tonight. I don't know if you can see in here. You can't really. But just a big tarp covering my whole truck. Got some tires holding it on and seems to be working pretty well. So I'll show you more of it in the morning if it survives. Hey, we're up here, pretty wrecked. We got the, you can see back there, Jane's sitting on our foundation. We went ahead and painted it because we won't be able to work on it super often, so it's going to be a little while before the walls are up. We got some posts going in here. You can see there's a mix of concrete and gravel, and it's pretty solid. We did 3 more today up there. Some of them weren't that well set, so I had to redo them with Jane. I'm going to try to finish these last 2 here. This one and that one there. Yeah, and after that, there's a couple more down there we can do. So we're just trying to get more posts in the ground, and then we can run the T-posts and then the fence. So that's what's on the horizon. All right. Maya, come visit us from Papa's house. So I made it up here. Windows are still intact, no cracks. No cracks, all still solid. Okay, so I got my 8 by 6.5 foot door in here. I just am storing it up against my shed. We got some boards on it so the horses can't kick the glass in. I don't know if you can see around that post right in the middle of the screen. This is a nene goose.
So I haven't taken a video in a long time. We got pretty much most of the fence over here good to go. What's that black thing on there? That's too wide of an angle. But yeah, Jane's finishing up the fence here. But you can see we did all the fence all the way up around and then back there and up to that corner and then down here behind my truck. If you look through here, there's a gate on that side and a dog. Hello, Maya. So right there, there's a gate there, and we also just put up this gate here. So everything's kind of moving along. And also, the house has been somewhat framed. I got plywood on the top, and then I'm going to come back with this sheet metal over here later and put that on. But I got to put some peel and stick on the roof today. That's my goal, is to finish that by the end of the day, and also put that last little piece of plywood on in the corner. You can see we got some pretty jerry-rig scaffolding. Got some water totes here that my dad picked up. And I got that last little bit of wood I think I probably need for the frame. I think that this video is like gotta come to an end. It's already pretty long, so I think maybe we just move on to the next one. But we're pretty much done with the fencing. And then this framing is just right around the horizon. So let's get back to work. Yeah, Mai? Let's get back to work. Oh, shoot. These guys just stole my lunch. Frickers. Where do you guys get that? They pulled my lunch out of the truck. Sneaky buggers. Okay, well, I'm going to have to go punish them. Bye-bye. Before I go, I just wanted to give you a better view of the frame and how it looks. I ended up having to get a new ladder. That green ladder back there. I just bought that yesterday. $200, Black Friday deal. So that'll get me to the top of the roof. Okay, I'm out.